the street wearing his brand new white shoes. He loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. Here we go. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my... Look at your shoes and go, oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of ice. What color did it turn Pete's shoes?
Red.
Did Pete cry? He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my... Look at your shoes and go, oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of... What color did it turn Pete's shoes? Did Pete cry? He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I'd like to ask all the men to join me in leadership as we make disgusting sounds for the children. Now, who at this moment can doubt the importance of male involvement in early childhood? So clear. Look at your shoes. Oh! What color did it turn Pete's shoes? Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no.
He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I would like to ask the women to join the men as we make disgusting sounds in promotion of literacy. Ready? Oh! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown and all the blue and all the red, good foreshadowing, were washed away. What color were Pete's shoes again? But now they were
wet.
Did Pete cry? He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. 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 And the moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song because it's all good. Clap your hands for yourself and our talent. Please come.